How to edit invoice template in Jobber. In this video, I'll show you how to edit invoice template in Jobber. So to get started, go ahead and open Jobber into your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Now go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right of your screen and then select settings from here. Now, once you're on your settings, go ahead and look for the branding tab. So since I can't find the branding tab, I'll just head over into the business profile section. And then once you scroll down in here, you'll be able to find your brand assets. So in here, you can go ahead and edit your brand colors by clicking on the current brand color that you have in here and then selecting a new one. And then you can also upload the logo of your brand in here by clicking on this add logo and then dragging the logo file into this section. So make sure that that logo is in PNG, JPG, or JPEG format, and make sure that it is lower than 5 MB. Now, you can also find this client document setting. So this will allow you to edit how the invoice would look like. So click on this. And then in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and head over into the invoice tab. And then in here, make sure to check all of the items that should be included for your invoice. And then you can also change the contract or disclaimer section in here to personalize it. Now you can also change the style of your header layout, header style, logo size, theme color, and footer font size. You can also edit the information that should be included in here. Now, once you're done with the changes that you want to do, you can go ahead and click on the Save Changes button. And that is how you can basically edit invoice template in Jobber. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.